It's the final journey for these three peacekeepers. They were killed when their vehicle hit a landmine in northern Mali. They were escorting a logistical convoy at the time. Speaking at the ceremony, the UN Special Representative honored the three blue helmets.
To you young people whose lives were stolen from you at the peak of your careers, I will simply say that you have been brave, and brave you will remain.
Once again, tragedy has struck the UN mission MINUSMA and its partners working for peace in Mali.
Since the mission was set up in 2013, 510 troops have been injured and at least 146 have been killed, 83 of them in hostile situations such as attacks, ambushes and landmine explosions. Mirungu, CGTN.